Kick, kick, kick. Good. And dismount. Nice. Good. Good. Nice. That's it. And up. So now I'm going to teach them how to kick. Okay. A lot of people come out here and they're not sure if they're kicking properly. So even if they are kicking properly and I don't have to teach them anything new, well, at least I'll give them the confidence that they're doing it right. Okay. And if they're not doing it right, I'm here to fix that and show them how to do it correctly. For those of you out there who aren't here with me, the proper kick is a loose floppy foot. Okay. I don't have any control on my foot. I pretend as though my feet are crippled. They don't work. Okay, they're just floppy now. They're just floppy fins. All right, and I kick with my hip flexor and my knee to kick up. So I start it from my hip and then I pull my knee up. And I let the one foot flip off. I find that if you practice this with one foot, if you're able to balance, hold on to a wall with one foot, practice this with one foot, you'll find it might be easier to create that whip.
Bend.
Don't do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go ahead, do it again. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, like a ballerina. Yep. You don't have to point if it cramps up your foot. If it cramps up your foot, don't point, but definitely don't flex. This is a bad kick. This will actually make you go backwards. Watch, it's fascinating. You kick with straight legs and your feet flex, you go backwards. It's the weirdest thing.
Well,
You have to keep your feet floppy to kick forwards. Okay? So when you kick both legs at the same time now, you're gonna kick them as fast as you can, like the water's boiling. Okay? Go ahead. The harder you kick, the faster this kickboard floats away. Good. Good. Excellent. Okay? Same thing. Yeah, you felt yourself getting slammed back into there, right? That means your kick is good. 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 Lower yourself in the water. Chin back, deep breath in. Now start kicking. Yeah. Now you can breathe when you're on your back. Breathe. It keeps you calm. Breathe with your mouth. Good. Good. And stand up. Excellent dismount. Excellent dismount. Chin back. And just fall in with a deep breath. Fall in. I'll catch you. Fall in. Deep breath. You did it. See? You did it. Good. Now start kicking. Good. Fast feet. Fast feet. And now start using your hands too. Good. Good. You're all on your own, really. Look at that. All right. Dismount. Sit up. Sit down, I mean. And sit up. Good job. Good job. Last part before the break is we're going to do this on our belly. Okay, so you're going to have your face in the water, bubble in mouth, and start kicking with your arms in front. And then dismount.
Okay.
Stand up in front of you. Kick, kick, kick. Good. And dismount. Nice. Good, you're ready. Good. Go ahead. Good job, good job, good job. You know what happened is you brought one leg forward instead of two. Bring both legs forward, okay? Yeah. That's what happened. In order to review their kick with them, I'm actually gonna pull them over to the ladder. If you have a ladder at your pool, there's a few things you could use it for, and today I'm gonna use it with them for kicking their legs. I want them to feel the proper kick, because right now, for Douglas, his legs are a little bit stiff, and he's not getting much propulsion out of the kick. So today I'm gonna have him kick on the ladder. I'm gonna have them both try the ladder and kick and see if we can't loosen up the legs a little bit and get them kicking in the proper way. Sometimes just this different posture of the same exercise will help make the technique a lot better. Come on in here, Douglas. So I'm gonna have you hold on to the ladder right here. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna stretch your legs out behind you. All right, and now I want you to start kicking as fast as you can, or as hard as you can. You're gonna have to bend your knees.
Oh,
You gotta bend your knees more.
Okay. Bend.
Yeah. There we go. Now they're just staying bent in one way. I want them to come up bent, and then I want them to go down all the way. Come up bent, go down all the way. There we go. There we go. Now go. There you go. There you go. Stretch your body out if you can. Stretch your arms out if you can. Stretch your arms out. There you go. Now keep kicking. Now you'll be using your core. Yeah, there we go. I know it's getting hard. And you can stop. Good. The kicking and swimming is not easy, is it? No,
it is not.
It's not. All right, Afia, come on over here. So you'll hold on to the bars, and then you're gonna let your legs float up, and then start kicking, okay? Good. Good. You probably don't even have to kick so big. You've got a nice kick. And you can stop. All right, Douglas, how do we get our kick to be more like that kick? How do we get our kick to be more like Afia's kick? All right, think more like Afia. Come on in. I'm going to show you something.
Yeah.
I think part of it is that you are holding on. You're gripping too much up here. A body in water needs to swim in 4 quadrants.
Okay.
4 quadrants is only possible when your arms are stretched all the way out. Okay? If your elbows are bent at all, you're not swimming in 4 quadrants anymore.
Okay.
In order for your body to be balanced and to use the right muscles, 4 quadrants. So this might help loosen up the legs a little bit if we stretch your arms out more. So push the ladder away from you. Push it. Push it. Yeah, push it. Now kick as you push it away from you. Good. Good. Push it away from you. Let your body sink into the water a little bit more. That's better. I can feel it. I can feel power now coming off. Good. 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 And relax. Good. That was a lot better.
Yes.
Yes, that was a lot better because you're using your core now and you're stretching out. Before it was just too much legs. It was just too much legs before. Now it's more from the tummy muscles. That's good. 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in. Now kick that water backwards. Good. Bend your knees in order to bring your feet up easier. Yep. You bring your heels to your rear end and then you slam your knees and your foot down. Heels up and then knees slam it down. Good. Good job. Also remind yourself to breathe with your mouth. Okay? When you're doing swimming exercises, it's important that you breathe in with your mouth and not breathing in with your nose. Arms stretched. 3, 2, 1. Kick, kick, kick. Good. You don't have to try so hard here. You're doing a good job. Just keep kicking the legs. Look, you're on your own for just a little bit. I know it's not easy, but you're doing it. You're balanced. Okay? Stand up. It wasn't easy. Like you probably felt really stiff, but you were doing it because you're balanced. Okay? I was able to let go because you were light like a baby. You were really light. Good job. Hands out front. Good job. Shoulders dip underwater, and the face stays up. The face is really the only thing that needs to stay up. Your kick is really just pushing the kickboard forward and keeping your face up. Okay? You'll see nicely how the water keeps going over her shoulders. That's awesome. Good. Breathing with your mouth too. I love it. Good job. You've undone that habit. You can stand up. Good. Good job. If you watch closely in some of these videos you might have already seen, his left foot is flexed. And we need to get that to loosen up because you want the water to flip off the top of your foot. Okay? So if I was kicking underwater, it would look like a boil. But if my foot were flexed, it wouldn't boil. Right now my foot is flexed and it's not boiling the surface of the water. Once I loosen it up, all of a sudden the surface of the water starts boiling again. Okay? And from there, yeah. You want to boil the water. Good. Yeah, smack my hand. Good. Oh, wow, I can feel the force. Now do it with the other foot.
Yeah.
Do it with the other foot too. Yeah, good. All right. You're gonna do it arms out in front. Superhero. I call this a superhero posture. It's also like having a kickboard that's invisible. So you're pretending there's a kickboard there. And then stand up.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Good. Good. Nice. That's it. We got the kick to loosen up a little bit. Thanks, Coach Will. All right. Arms out in front.
I'm not good at going on my own yet.
No, okay, that's all right.
good.
That's all right. Just get low,
Again.
lean forward, deep breath, bubbling mouth, facing the
Nothing.
water.
Good.
Good. Good. You're light as a feather. Now stand up. Knees to chest. Wow, excellent. You were light as a feather. You don't know if you're going on your you don't know if you're going on your own yet? I can tell you right now, the next one's on your own.
Yeah.
You're right.
You are.
Yeah.
I don't know where to do that.
I know. Let me be your confidence for you. I know you're ready because I've seen people in this stage 100 times and you're more ready than 99% of them. Like you're at the point where they all were when they did it on their own for the first time. I know you can do it. Arms in front,
Okay.
lower, lean forward, deep breath, and kick. Great kick. And dismount. Good job. Great kick. Feel a lot better, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. It's looking a lot better.
Yes.
You moved from there to there completely
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
No slowing down.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Arms forward. I'll get you started, and then I'm going to go like this, and then I'll get you at the end, okay? 3, 2, 1. Good. Good. You're good. You're good. All right. Whenever you're ready, you can stand up. Good job. Congratulations. Good job. You're doing it. You're swimming on your own. That's awesome. If you found these videos helpful, splash that like button, subscribe to the channel for free, and thank you to all our members who make this possible. Go ahead and check out our merch store and follow us on the other social media platforms for shorter tips and clips throughout the week. And with that said, get ready to rock it.